and welcome to today's video. So guys, if you know nothing about Kali, I'll try my best to explain everything about Kali on this video. So Kali IO is basically an airdrop app which rewards us for actually staking our coins, and they reward us with USDT. So if you are new to Kali, make sure you use the link on the description video below. And as you can see, when you launch the app, you actually have 500 Kali which the app gives you. So once you stake the app, the 500 Kali, you have 3% of the 500, which is 15. So every day you get 15%. And as you can see, let's go to the home page. As you can see, the token, this is a nice airdrop. As you can see, what Kali now is 0.004 USDT. As you can see, you can actually buy some Kali so to stake, so you get more Kali at the end. So let me just run to how you can stake and you get more Kali. As you can see, let's go to the staking. As you can see, if you stake Kali, you get let's just say you stake 500 Kali. Once you enter the app, you stake the 500 Kali, which the app will be giving you for free. As you can see, if you stake your 500 Kali at the end of 15 days, when you unstake them, you will have 0.90 USDT, which you can still use and restake again to get more Kali. So you can actually withdraw in your Binance app. So once you just launch Kali, they will ask you to log in with your Binance, in which they will actually send some USDT into your Binance app. So if you are new to Kali, guys, make sure you do. If you have missed call, make sure you do take this Kali airdrop seriously. And after 15 days, you come and get your rewards, and you can use your reward to restake it back so you can get more. So let's see, if you stake 1000 Kali in 15 days, you're gonna have 1.8 USDT, which is actually small, but you can see the bonus there. In 15 days, you're gonna have 450 Kali for the 3% reward which they'll be giving you daily. So you can actually restake it back, so you get more Kali on the next 15 days. So guys, as you can see, Kali is very serious. The guys are very serious. They have a good white paper. If you go through the Kali app, you see the white paper is actually nice. You know that Binance will never associate themselves with a fake company. So make sure you do take this Kali mining seriously. If you don't want to invest money, you can just use the free mining rate to be earning your USDT. And make sure you do subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.